Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to connect your Tone wallet to your Dotcoin. So when you open your Dotcoin in your Telegram, go to Let's Go. So we wait till the Dotcoin load. So after that, you come to your portfolio here. You click on portfolio. So yeah, this is where you connect. I've already connected my own, so I will disconnect so that you know how to connect your own. Let me disconnect. So after that, you click on connect wallet. After you must have your Tone keeper. So you download the Tone keeper on your phone. You create your wallet on your Tone keeper. So after you click on connect wallet, you click on Tone keeper here. Then you click on yes. After that, you wait till your Tone keeper load. So you can see here I have my wallet here. I have my wallet, my Dotcoin, my TapSwap, my YesCoin, and my so you just click on your Dotcoin, then connect wallet. So if when the thing bring down, that is you have successfully connect your wallet to your Dotcoin. That's how you connect your Tone wallet. Thank you.